Most Android emulators suck. They lag, they crash, and they use way too much RAM and CPU power. And when you try to play Android games or run Android apps on your PC, the experience usually feels slow and frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use a powerful Android virtual device running on the latest Android 17. Capable of running the newest Android apps and games directly on your PC, it gives you a much cleaner and smoother Android experience. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use a powerful Android virtual device running on the latest Android 17. Capable of running the newest Android apps and games directly on your PC, it gives you a much cleaner and smoother Android experience compared to most traditional emulators. So, if you're tired of slow and broken emulators, this setup might be exactly what you need. Give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Android Studio on Google. Open the official Android Studio website and download the latest available version for Windows. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and continue with the normal installation steps using the default options. After the installation is complete, Android Studio will launch automatically for the first time. You'll go through a simple setup process where Android Studio downloads important components like SDK tools and emulator files. These files are necessary because they allow Android to run properly on your computer. Once everything is installed, just click Finish. Now go to the main screen and click on More Actions, then open the Virtual Device Manager. This section allows you to create Android devices that can run directly on your PC. Now, click on Create Virtual Device. You'll see different device categories, like phones, tablets, TVs, and more. For a better desktop experience, selecting a tablet is usually the best option because the larger screen feels much more comfortable on a PC monitor. Then choose Pixel Tablet and click Next. Continue to the Android version selection page. Here, choose Android 17 with Google Play support enabled. If the files are not already downloaded, just click the download button and Android Studio will automatically download them for you. Just let it to finish downloading. Once done, click Finish. Before starting the virtual device, it's important to adjust some settings for better performance. First, adjust how much space you want to give to your emulator. I am going to add 64 gigabytes. You can increase the CPU core's allocation depending on your system memory. The same goes for RAM. Assign enough power for Android to run properly while keeping your PC responsive at the same time. Now, choose System Image and click Finish. Finally, press the play button next to your Android 17 device. The first startup may take a little time since Android is setting up its system files, but after that, it becomes much faster. After the boot process finishes, you'll see a complete Android interface running directly inside Windows. From there, you can sign into the Play Store, install apps, browse the internet, watch videos, or use Android applications just like you would on a normal tablet. The experience is surprisingly clean and smooth. Apps like Chrome, YouTube, Gmail, and social media applications work very well. It's also great for app testing, productivity work, and using Android features on a larger screen. When it comes to gaming, lighter games usually work fine. But this setup is not mainly designed for heavy gaming. Some advanced games may not run perfectly, especially titles that require proper keyboard mapping or high graphics performance. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.